We're going to catch a ferry.
We're going to aquatic.
To go where?
To go to Granville Island and just walk around, look at the marketplace. Then from there, we're gonna go bike around Stanley Park.
So we're going to
if
this.
the sun's still out.
Score. Great day here in Vancouver. I went to Tim Hortons for breakfast this morning. Excellent. So if you're looking for a hotel, Blue Horizon is really good. This is where we're staying. Rooms are very spacious.
I do what I want.
Get out of the way.
Yes!
Colin, how was the pizza?
Good.
Was it the best pizza you ever had?
Yeah.
We're getting ramen.
Seared pork with on one of those with the no chili. Well, I've never eaten ramen, and this is pretty tasty. The best cheese tarts in Vancouver.
Mustard.
It looks like mustard.
Lemon.
That's very tasty.
It's what?
Very tasty.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, Milo's not gonna like that one.
7, 8, 9, 10.
We have to walk 10 streets. So is it the same in America as it is in Canada? Like,
There's like a stoplight.
kind of like the downtown area from light to light is one block.
I'm just gonna buy your racing.
Pricing there, yeah.
No, we don't like you. Hello.
Thank you.
We are at Granville Island. Me and Cohen got some cookies and cream, and he got chocolate ice cream from Rogers Chocolate. Rogers Chocolates. What do you think? Is it as good as in America?
Let's check it out, man. Oh my god. Thank you.
Hey, they're trying to cross. Let them cross.
You didn't click the stop thingy. Probably someone dead inside. Let's go check it out.
You remember how to ride a bike, Aubrey? What? Do you remember how to ride a bike? Yeah. They're kids, they don't ride bikes anymore. They play video games and play on their phones. The face of joy. We rented our bikes at English Bay Bike Rentals. We rented 2 adult bikes and 4 children bikes with helmets and locks for like 70 bucks for an hour and a half-ish.
Lots of impatient people trying to get past you, even when the sidewalk is like this narrow. And we also went to Stanley Park.
After we got our bike rentals, we went over to Stanley Park and rode around the park. We did about 80 minutes worth, biked around 7 miles. We did the seawall loop next to the bay, I guess, next to the mountains. Very scenic, well worth it.